Everyone, so in today's session we are going to discuss about installation of Java on Windows operating system. So different version of Java are available. In today's session we are going to see how can we install Java 20 on Windows 10 operating system. Now before moving ahead, first of all let us check whether Java is already present in the system or not. It may happen that in your system Java, some version of Java may be already present. So how can we check whether Java is currently present in our system or not? So for that, first of all, you need to press Windows key which is present on the keyboard, and then here you have to type command. Okay, means you have to open the command prompt. Okay, open the command prompt, and on command prompt type one simple command, that is Java space hyphen version, and press enter key. So here we can see one message: Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, right? So this indicates that Java is currently not present in our system. If some version of Java is present in our system, then after execution of this particular command, you will be able to see version of that particular Java here. So as we are not getting any Java version, okay, as we are getting this particular message, it indicates that Java is not available in this system. It is required to install Java in this particular system. So let's move ahead. Open browser, and in Google just type Java download. Then you will get one website, oracle.com. Okay, so this is the official website from where we can download Java. So just open the link. So here you will get message Java 20 and Java 17 available now. So either you can go with installation of Java 20 or Java 17. So let's continue with Java 20. So Java 20 can be installed on Linux, Mac OS, Windows. So I want to install Java 20 on Windows, so I will select this particular tab. So here again you will get different files. So I will go with this second one. Okay, so x64 installer. Okay, so let's download this particular file. The download is complete. Go to the download folder. So here you can see that downloaded file. So just double click on it. Then click on yes. Now the installation will begin. So again click on next. So this is path. Okay, this is path where Java will get installed. So see, it will be installed in C drive. By default it will be installed in C drive, program files, then Java folder, and again in Java folder we will get one more folder, that is JDK 20. So click on next. So wait for some time. Okay, now installation is successfully completed. So click on close. Go to C drive. Under C drive you will get folder program files. Under program files again you will get folder Java, and under Java folder again you can see one more folder JDK 20. So in this particular folder you will get all installation files of Java 20. There is one more way by which we can also verify installation of Java. So open command prompt, and on command prompt type command Java space hyphen version. Press enter key. So here you can see Java 20. Okay, so after execution of this command, here you can see the version of the Java that is currently available in our system. So in this way we have successfully installed Java on our system. Thank you.